Ergodyne Squids tool attachments provide a quick, easy way to create retrofit attachment points on tools and equipment. Here's how to install the Ergodyne Squids tool tails and self-adhering tape trap. Here's what you'll need: an electronic scale to capture the tool's weight, a scissors or means of cutting the tape, the tool you are tethering, the appropriate amount of tape, compatible tool tail, and tool lanyard to complete your tethering system. First, weigh your tool and log the information in your tool inventory. Consult the tape's instructions to determine the appropriate tool tail and amount of tape needed. For this tool, weighing less than 5 pounds, but more than 2 pounds, we'll use the 3706 web tail and enough tape to wrap around the tool 10 times. Once you've determined the correct length of tape, remove the protective film. To prepare the install, tuck the tail's label under the D-ring and firmly apply one full wrap of tape to set a base. Lay the tool tail over the base, with the label side facing up, and hold it in place. Begin wrapping the remaining tape around the tail, overlapping each wrap of tape. As you wrap, do not cover the tail's web catch points. Keep the tape between them as you go to ensure proper installation. As you arrive at the end of the tape, align the last wrap so that it lays completely over the applied tape. Press it down firmly to finish. Before going to heights, attach a lanyard to complete your tethering system. For this heavier tool, we'll use the appropriate elastic tool tail and enough tape to wrap around the tool 12 times. First, apply your tool tail by choking it onto the tool and cinching the barrel lock down tightly. Lay your tail down and begin wrapping the tape around both tool and tail. Keep your wraps below the barrel lock, covering each previous wrap as you go. As you arrive at the end of the tape, align the last wrap so that it lays completely over the applied tape. Press it down firmly to finish. Before going to heights, attach a lanyard to complete your tethering system. Based on user preference, an alternative method for installing elastic tool tails is equally as effective. The crisscross method follows all the same installation steps outlined earlier, but aligns the tail away from the tool. When using this method, capture the tail on the tool by wrapping the tape on each side, crossing back and forth as you go. Once again, lay the end of the tape onto the previous wraps to finish. If you haven't figured it out by now, don't forget that lanyard. For more information on Squids tool tethering, give us a call or visit our website.